Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video, I will show you how to use the Sunny air conditioner remote control. This is on-off button and with itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. This is the mode button and with itself we can change the modes. This air conditioner has 4 modes: cooling, drying, fan, and heating. Each time the mode button is pressed, the air conditioner switches to the next mode. Since most users use the cooling mode, we will start by explaining this mode. We press the mode button, and when the snowflake icon appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to the cooling mode. In this mode, it is recommended to set the temperature between 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. If you want to reduce the energy consumption of the air conditioner, then set the temperature to 24 degrees in the cooling mode. This is the fan button, and with itself we can change the fan speed of the air conditioner. The speeds of the air conditioner change in this order: auto, high, medium, and low. You can choose a low speed so that the sound of the fan does not disturb you in the bedroom. We can use this button to increase the temperature and this button to decrease it. We press the mode button and switch to drying mode. This mode is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again and switch to the fan mode. In this mode, the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. We press the mode button again and the sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to above 26 degrees. For the air conditioner to work efficiently, it is necessary to set the fan speed to the auto fan speed mode. In this case, the fan speed of the air conditioner will be selected by the microprocessor and the air conditioner will work more correctly. When the smart button is pressed, the temperature indicator on the screen disappears. This is called auto mode in other air conditioners. In this mode, the air conditioner always tries to maintain the temperature in the house around 24 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is below 24 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner will work in heating mode, and if it is above, it will work in cooling mode. To exit this mode, you need to press the mode button. The swing button is for moving the blinds and stopping them in any position. Sometimes it happens that when we get ready to sleep, we set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius. In this case, pressing the sleep button will allow us to sleep more comfortably. Because the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree after 2 hours and again by 1 degree after a few hours. To exit this mode, we need to press the same button. To activate the I feel button, you need to press this button, I feel. The temperature set in the I feel mode will be measured by the air conditioner remote control, but the distance between the air conditioner and the remote control must be less than 7 meters. To exit this mode, press the same button. The clock button is for setting the clock. When this button is pressed, we see the clock flashing on the screen. We set with the help of the temperature buttons and press this clock button again. In this mode, air conditioners will usually return to the previous fan mode after working for 15 minutes. This mode is also called turbo, high power, strong in other air conditioners. To exit this mode, press super button again. Now we will provide information about the timer mode. Let's say we leak work at 18 and we want our conditioner to turn on at 17 and cool our house until we return home. In this case, we press the timer on button, set it to 17 and press the same button to confirm. The word on appears on the screen. To exit the timer on mode, press the same button again. Or we want our air conditioner to turn off at 5 in the morning, AM 5. We press the timer off button and set the time to 5 and press the same button to confirm. To exit the timer off mode, press the same button again. Thank you for following us until the end.